Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to configure Telnet on your Cisco IOS devices. If you are not familiar with Telnet, then just remember Telnet is a network protocol that allows you to gain remote access to your devices. By the end of this video, you will be confident enough to configure and troubleshoot Telnet related issues on Cisco IOS devices. So let's get started. First of all, we will check our interface IPs and choose an interface for Telnet. You can see interface gig 0x0 to gig 0x2 has IP addresses, and we can Telnet any IPs of this list as long as we have the reachability. In this example, we will Telnet on 10.1.1.50 IP. Now we will check our Telnet configuration by running show run command. You will find Telnet configuration in the bottom of the configuration file. You also can use filter to go to Telnet configuration directly by running show run pipe section VTY. VTY is a virtual port that helps to get Telnet and SSIs to the Cisco devices, and we will enable Telnet under line VTY. Line VTY 04 means we are enabling remote access for channel 0 to 4. That means total 5 channels. So 5 concurrent users will be able to log in. We can have maximum 16 concurrent connection if we use line VTY 0/15. Before enabling Telnet, you should know we can enable Telnet in two ways. In the first way, we will add password for Telnet. By this way, whenever someone tries to log in to the device, they only need to use password, no username. You will not be able to identify who joined to the Telnet session. In the second way, we can enable Telnet for local users, where Telnet users need to have an local account on the device. Let's configure Telnet in first way. We need to go to line VTY 0/4 and then command transport input Telnet. Now we'll add password for the Telnet by using password command, and our password will be Cisco. And then use login command to allow our login using the VTY. That's it for first way. Our final configuration will be like this: line VTY 04, password Cisco, login, and then transport input Telnet. Now you can test our configuration. Let's open a party session and try to Telnet 10.1.1.50. You can see, as expected, it is asking the password. Password is Cisco, and see, we are successfully logged in. Now let's identify the problem with this method. We'll run show users command, and you can see two persons are logged in. One is using console and other is VTY, but you will not be able to identify who logged in using VTY because we just only used password. Now let's move to the second method. First, we will go to line VTY 0/4 and then command transport input Telnet, which is the way to enable the Telnet in VTY. Now we will enable Telnet for local users by running login local. Earlier it was only login. We will not use any password here. Local users will be able to log in using their own password. So our final configuration will be line v2i 0 space 4 login local transport input telnet. To check local users, we can run show run pipe include username. Here you can see I have multiple usernames and all the users will be able to telnet to the device using their credentials. Now we will test our telnet configuration by doing the telnet to the device. Let's telnet to 10.1.1.50. Now you can see it is asking username. Let's use username Rajiv and then use its associated password. You can see we are successfully logged in to the device. Now let's check who is logged in to the device by running show users command. You can see in v2i user Rajiv is logged in. So that's why method 2 is more preferred than method 1. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please do like and share and also subscribe my channel. Hope to see you in the next video.